Hi everyone, thanks for a great class today on August 28th. I just want to give you a quick video so that we can talk about what we did at the end of class because it was cool, it was fast, and I want you to be able to apply it well. So the three groups presented on narration, description, and exemplification. And the exercise we did looking at that paragraph on the weasel really helped us to see how we can use exemplification and more specifically description. But remember what we did in class. We looked for the nouns in the passage, we looked for the comparisons in the passage, and then we did that exercise with the verbs at the end of class. So your job while you're finishing writing your memoir is to go through a little bit of revision practice by looking at nouns, looking for places where you can add nouns, where you can add lists of nouns, where you can use verbs that are better than some of the verbs you are using. And what I mean by better verbs is that sometimes we reuse a lot of the same verbs instead of letting verbs do a lot of work for us, where the verb can add a sound effect to the memoir, where the verb can play into the metaphor that you're trying to set up, where the verb can really just surprise the reader quite a bit because you're using something that they don't expect. So the thing we do with the professions at the end is really to take you out of the context of your memoir and think about verbs that might work more effectively. And then remember we did the highlighting work on the comparisons. So really comparisons is just a quick way for us to review how metaphors and similes work. Metaphors can be set up with a simple he was and then a comparison to something else. They can also be set up as similes with like and as. And then in the passage that we read about the weasel, there was a really cool metaphor that was set up with two nouns and a preposition in before. It was dot of chin. And that was so effective because we don't often see metaphors presented that way. So the goal is for you to finish your draft, finish writing it. The second goal is for you to revise a little bit before you come to class with the essay that you want to work with on the 11th. So try to go ahead and do a little bit of revising work before you come to class. And the goal in the end is to not rely on adjectives so much to help description and examples get into your writing. I think the strategies that we looked at today and that we practice in class today will help you to achieve a better, more sophisticated description and use of examples than what you've used in the past, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. I will be on campus every day next week and can help you with your draft. And then I return to campus on the 7th, so can help you between the 7th and the 10th as well. I hope you have a great weekend and a great Labor Day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.